On behalf of the captain and the entire crew, welcome to Washington Dulles Airport, where the local time is 20 past 8 in the afternoon. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched off. When it's safe to do so, please take care when opening the overhead lockers, as items may have moved and could fall out and injure someone. Before leaving us today, also take a few moments to make sure you have all your personal belongings with you. Just to remind you, smoking is not allowed until you reach the designated smoking area in the airport. If you need any assistance once you've left the aircraft, please ask any of our ground staff who will be happy to help you. Alternatively, feel free to contact one of our One World Alliance partners. At British Airways and the One World Alliance, thank you for choosing. It has been our pleasure looking after you on this flight, and we hope to welcome you again on board any other British Airways flight very soon. Thank you again, and good evening.